The Moto G Stylus 5G series, particularly models from 2023 onwards, includes comprehensive eSIM support. Unlike traditional physical SIM cards, an eSIM is a programmable chip built directly into your phone. One of the key advantages is dual SIM functionality. You can use both a traditional physical nano SIM card and an eSIM simultaneously, giving you two active phone lines on one device. Major U.S. carriers have certified the Moto G Stylus 5G for eSIM activation. Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile all support eSIM functionality on these devices, ensuring broad network compatibility. The device can store multiple eSIM profiles simultaneously, typically between 5 to 8 different carrier profiles. This allows you to maintain connections for work, personal use, travel, and backup carriers all on one device. Switching between eSIM profiles is remarkably simple. You can change carriers directly through Android settings without restarting your device. This instant switching capability makes managing multiple lines effortless. For international travel, eSIM technology shines. You can quickly activate local carrier profiles in your destination country, significantly reducing expensive roaming charges while maintaining your home number on the physical SIM. The Moto G Stylus 5G maintains full 5G network performance when using eSIM. You get 98% of maximum 5G speeds with no network degradation, ensuring your high-speed connectivity isn't compromised by using digital SIM technology. Remote provisioning is a key eSIM advantage. Carrier profiles are downloaded directly over the air from the cloud to your device. This eliminates the need for physical SIM cards and enables instant activation of new carrier services. These eSIM features make the Moto G Stylus 5G a versatile choice for users who need flexible connectivity options, whether for business, travel, or simply wanting the convenience of multiple carrier options in one device. While the Moto G Stylus 5G offers solid eSIM support, there are several important limitations and challenges users should be aware of before making the switch. First, not all Moto G Stylus 5G models are created equal. Some international variants may lack full eSIM functionality, particularly in regions where eSIM adoption is still developing. eSIM compatibility heavily depends on individual carrier policies and support. Even if your device supports eSIM, your specific carrier might not offer eSIM services or may have restrictions on certain plans. Older 2G and 3G networks can cause compatibility problems with eSIM technology. In areas where these legacy networks are still primary, you might experience connectivity issues or reduced functionality. Managing eSIM profiles can be complex for less tech-savvy users. Switching between carriers, managing multiple profiles, and troubleshooting connection issues requires more technical knowledge than traditional SIM cards. The device can only store a maximum of 8 eSIM profiles simultaneously. While this seems like plenty, frequent travelers or users with multiple carrier needs might find this limiting. Using dual SIM functionality can slightly reduce peak data speeds. While the impact is minimal, users who require maximum 5G performance might notice a small decrease in bandwidth when both SIMs are active. In some regions, emergency services still require a physical SIM card for location tracking and emergency calls. This regulatory requirement means you might need to keep a traditional SIM for safety purposes. Despite these limitations, the Moto G Stylus 5G remains a strong eSIM leader in the affordable smartphone segment. Its position in the sub-$400 market makes it an attractive option for enterprise and educational deployments.